Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. We have already completed our syllabus of English 2 for second UT except one lesson, that is lesson 7. That is avoided. That is in the syllabus, but it is cut from the syllabus now. Okay. So you have to learn the lessons. Lesson 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 7 is not there. Okay. So today I am going to explain the question answers and exercises of lesson 2 and 4. Okay, revision of lesson 2 and 4. So first I will explain the question answers of lesson 2. What is name of lesson 2? The golden mangoes. Okay, all of you take out your copy and book. Take out your copy and book. What was King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish? What was King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish? What was his mother's last unfulfilled wish? King Krishnadevaraya's mother's last unfulfilled wish was to give away fruits to poor on an auspicious day. Okay, on a special day, to give fruits to poor people on a special day. That was the last unfulfilled wish of King Krishnadevaraya's mother. Okay, what was the unfulfilled wish? To give away fruits to poor on a special day or auspicious day. Okay, then second question, why did Tenali Rama call the Pandits to his house on the same day? Tenali Rama called the Pandits to his house on the same day because he wanted to teach the Pandits a lesson. Because he wanted to teach them a lesson. Okay. Then next question, how did Tenali Rama outsmart the greedy Pandits? Defeated. Outsmarted means defeated. How did Tenali Rama defeated the greedy Pandits? Get rid of the greedy Pandits. So Tenali Rama outsmarted the greedy Pandits by using his wisdom. Wisdom means buddhi. Okay, by using his wisdom. WISDOM, wisdom. Then next question, how was Tenali Rama what was Tenali Rama trying to do by teaching the Pandits a lesson? He taught the Pandits a lesson, isn't it? Yes. So by teaching the Pandits a lesson, Tenali Rama prevented them from exploiting the public. Okay, they were exploiting the public. Exploiting means disturbing. Understand? Cheating the public. So by teaching them a lesson, Tenali Rama prevented them from exploiting the public or cheating the public. Okay. Then next question, do you agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man? Yes, I agree that Tenali Rama was a wise and witty man. Okay, I hope all of you understood the question answer. Then I will explain the fill in the blanks. Page number 18. All of you take out your page number 18, fill in the blanks. The king was dash for having such a dash advisor. The king was thankful for having such a wise advisor. Then King Krishnadevaraya had great dash for his mother. King Krishnadevaraya had great respect for his mother. The Pandits dashed that the king should offer golden mangoes. The Pandits suggested, the word is suggested, the Pandits suggested that king should offer golden mangoes. Then Tenali Rama dashed all the golden mangoes from the Pandits. Tenali Rama returned, returned all the golden mangoes from the Pandits. Then Tenali Rama realized that the Pandits were dashed the king. The Pandits were cheating the king. Okay. Then next, the Pandits asked for golden mangoes because they were greedy. The king's mother wanted to give it to charity on an auspicious occasion because she was unorthodox. The king was happy with Tenali Rama because he was wise. Tenali Rama was wise. Wise means those who have wisdom. Okay, buddhi. Then the Pandits returned the golden mangoes because they were terrified. They were frightened. They were feared, terrified. The king fulfilled his mother's wishes out of respect, because he gave a lot of respect to his mother. Because of the respect of his mother, respect to his mother, the king fulfilled his mother's last wish. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this. Then the match the food with its description, that you will get the 2 columns, match the following, that you have to do. Okay, then this is very important. Next, page number 19. Write the opposites of the following words. Orthodox. Orthodox means old fashioned. What is the opposite of orthodox? Modern. Okay, then greedy. Greedy means very that you call in Hindi lalach. So its opposite is generous. GENEROUS, generous. Then fair, FAIR, fair. Fair, its opposite is unfair. Fair means good, its opposite is unfair. Okay, not good. Then lazy, SAZY, lazy, its opposite is active. Active. Then fulfilled, unfulfilled. Respect, disrespect. Okay, so it is very, very important, this opposite. Write the opposite of the following, that you have to learn. Then circle the odd word, discuss why it is odd. If it is getting, you will get the options, then you have to circle the odd word. Okay, then next, noun I have explained. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Then you will get take out your page number 22, underline the nouns in the following sentence. You will get the sentences, then you have to underline the nouns from the sentences. Okay, the pencil is in the box. In this page number 22, the pencil is in the box. In the sentence, the nouns are pencil and box. Then the dog chased the cat. The dog and cat are the nouns. Then the children were studying in the classroom. Children and classroom are the nouns. New York is a busy city. New York City are the nouns. Caravans move on the road. Caravans road are the nouns. Okay, so this grammar portion, noun, you have to learn. Then this write the opposite, that is very, very important. Then fill in the blanks, then question answer. Okay, so all of you have to learn this, okay, for examination. Then chapter 4 also I will explain the question answer now. Okay, all of you take out your page number 34 and copy. Page number 34 and copy. Page number 34, answer the following questions. Why did female hawk want the male hawk to make a few friends? Why did the female hawk want the male hawk to make a few friends? The female hawk wanted the male hawk to make a few friends because she wanted to know someone who can help them in times of danger or in trouble. Because she wanted to know someone who can help us. Because she wanted to know whether anybody is there or someone who can help them in times of danger. When in times of danger, anybody is there, if they can help them in times of danger, that people she wanted to know. That is why she asked the male hawk to make a few friends. Okay, then next question, who were the 4 friends? Very easy question. Who were the 4 friends? The hawk, the turtle, the kingfisher and the lion was the 4 friends. Okay, the turtle, the lion, the kingfisher and the hawk were the 4 friends. Then why were the hawks worried? Worried means very sad. Why they were very sad? Dukh. The hawks were worried because their children were in danger. Their babies were in danger. That is why they become worried. Then why were the hunters unable to catch the baby hawks? The hunters were unable to catch the baby hawks. Why? The hunters were unable to catch the baby hawks because the baby hawks were protected by their friends. Because the hawk family was protected by their friends. Okay, clear? The hunters were unable to catch the baby hawks because the hawk family was protected by their friends. Then, why do friends help each other in times of trouble? Friends help each other in times of trouble in order to keep the friendship forever. Okay, so friends help each other in order to keep the friendship forever. That is why friends help each other. Clear, all of you? So this chapter question answer and chapter 2's question answer and everything you have to learn. Then the next portions I will explain the next video. Okay, bye.